State Attorney Monique Worrell is firing back once again at Florida's Attorney General. James Uthmeier criticized Worrell's leadership in the wake of the murders of 3 tourists in Kissimmee over the weekend. Today, Worrell pushed back. West 2's Justin Shecker is live this afternoon outside of her office. Justin, she had a lot to say.
That's right, Stu. This morning, State Attorney Monique Worrell spent the majority of her remarks addressing that prior acquittal of this triple murder suspect by reason of insanity.
The criminal legal system is not adequately equipped to deal with mental illness, nor should it be.
State Attorney Monique Worrell is calling for greater access to mental health services as she responds to criticism for 29-year-old Ahmaud Bourget's acquittal for a 2021 shooting at a Wawa gas station.
This is not an opportunity for political mudslinging.
Osceola County deputies arrested Bourget Saturday, shortly after the murder of 3 tourists from the Midwest. The brothers and their friend were visiting for a car auction and staying at the Airbnb next to his home in Kissimmee.
I want to be very delicate in how I talk about this because we can never overlook the fact that 3 people are dead. 3 families are grieving.
Worrell emphasized it was the court that found Bourget not guilty by reason of insanity in 2022. The judge's order for his conditional release barred him from having guns and required outpatient mental health treatment. On Wednesday, Attorney General James Uthmeier wrote on X, "Regardless of the spin State Attorney Worrell is selling, she knowingly stipulated to an agreement that avoided a jury trial and allowed Jihad Bourget to receive outpatient treatment instead of being committed to a state hospital."
The mental health provider in this case found that that individual was not a danger to himself or others at the time of his sentencing. And based on that, the standard that is set forth in the statute prohibits the court from sentencing someone to involuntary commitment in a mental health hospital.
Uthmeier also wrote, "She failed to pursue justice and 3 men are dead because of her failure." I asked Worrell about the Florida Attorney General calling on lawmakers to revise the state statute on insanity defense.
Implying that it's some sort of a loophole that people jump through so that they can avoid accountability really shows a lack of understanding of the system and how the system works.
And the state attorney also told us that cost became a factor that prevented Ahmaud Bourget from being in compliance with his mental health treatment. She says his monthly bill jumped from $7 to more than $150. Right now, this suspect is locked up in the Osceola County Jail with no bond. We're live in Orlando. I'm Justin Shecker, WESH 2 News.